not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
Hey man, up in Bertha, getting ready to go pick up this expensive birch plywood. That's what we're using in the 4th order. So today I'm gonna probably get I don't know, the fronts and the bottom done, and then tomorrow I'll end up doing the sides, and then we'll work on the baffle and then put the box together. So yeah man, stay tuned. Going up in here and get this expensive ass wood. Yeah man. So we're looking for that birch plywood. Ooh, sanded plywood. Some people use that. It's the maple hardwood. That pretty stuff right there. Blonde wood plywood. Never heard of that. I don't see any birch. Well, it's the reason why I don't really come in here much. I go to Home Depot. So let's swing over to Home Depot. You know, it's always one nearby. Yeah, man. Go. Birch plywood. Great birch, Batman. Ooh, look at that price. So we got us 4 sheets to start. One sheet usually is gonna make 2 of what I'm trying to do. So the front piece is gonna take 2 sheets. And then the bottom is going to take 2 sheets because the bottom has 2 layers. And then once I go back, I'm going to get 2 more sheets and then do the sides. And then slap the box together like that with the front, the sides, and the bottom. And then I will work on the baffle piece with the speakers, because that's going to take the longest. So this crap is very expensive. It's like you seen that $54 a sheet. So I'm going to make precise cuts on these. So yeah, let's get to it. Now this cut is supposed to be 37.5. So what I did was put it at 42.5 and add a 16th. So I got my mark right there. So let's see if I get 37.5 after the cut. $37.5, right on the money. Look at that. So I got all my holes that I'm gonna do to hold the board down, so to let the glue set up. We're using that Type Bond Premium. Just gonna spread it all over, give it 100% glue coverage, and screw it down. Let it sit up in the truck and cure. Yeah, man. What? Yeah, man, time for some pocket holes. So I set this Craig jig up like this, the platform, to make a bigger pieces. Gotta go like that. Let's see. It's just right. But what I had to do is use a 1/4 inch piece of MDF up under here, and then the 3/4 inch right here, and that gave me the height of this. Then I pressed down real hard on it, nailed this down, made a platform, good to go. Yeah, man. Y'all need to do this.
Chick-fil-A nuggets is their gold color. It lets me know that I'm about to.
What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. Go over there and check out that Instagram page, man. I'm telling you, you need to go over there. Put a like on this video too, man. Giving you an update on what I'm doing. Oh, look at that. So my Instagram family already kind of knows about this already. So let me take you around to the front and show you. Yeah, we got the fourth going on. It's almost complete, really. Right there is the dowels I got in the port, because they'll look something like this when I cut them out. You see that? Right there. It'll go from that to that. Let's go around and check the back out. Get a back view. I always wondered why people didn't have anything, you know, holding that up, and I figured it out because they have these down here, possibly. But what I done, this is a 4-layer. I put these two into the sides, and then put this one on top of this one, and filled my holes in, as you can see. So that way it'll be easier to paint. Because if I did pocket holes on the side, you could still fill them and then do a little filler in the pocket holes, but it'd have been a little bit of a mess. But so I didn't want to deal with that. And the glue is still drying in the corners. I actually been stuffing glue in there for the last couple days, letting one coat dry and then stick another coat in, letting that coat dry, stick another coat in, just to make sure I get really good sealing on it. So here's the deal. This is kind of what I'm going for as far as the design goes. I'll still have to cut that 45 you see right there in the rear, which will be fine. I'll get that cut. But I mentioned on my Instagram that if you have a Trailblazer and you're looking to do a design like this, and you know,
You ain't got that $65, $85 or whatever you want to pay for somebody to do the design for you. How about this? You have a Trailblazer and you subscribe to my channel and you like this video and comment, I will send this design to you if you're selected. So we'll do a little giveaway. All right, a free design. How about that? If you have a Trailblazer, like and subscribe to this video. Show me your Trailblazer, enter, and I will pick a winner. Pretty cool, huh? You can even send me a fake picture of a Trailblazer just to get the design. I don't care, as long as you subscribed. Hit that like button if you think I'm doing a good job on my channel. Subscribe if you want to see more. Peace out.